Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got myself a Bluetooth keyboard. I have a iPad and then I wanted to connect it up to. So we're going to give this thing a try and see how it goes. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but let's check this out here. It says foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. Oh, that's cool. It's got touchpad too. I could use it on my Mac then even too. Okay, so in here we have, it's like a stand so you can stand up your phone or your iPad, I guess, with this. So if you're going to use it to connect it, I could just kind of have it like that. Let's see, how does this go? Oh, just like this or something. My iPad has a case that has a stand, but you could just put it in there and have it on the stand like that. So it will function as a stand. That is nice. And then we have looks like a charging cable here, which is going to be USB to USB-C. I'm sure you've seen cables before. I probably don't have to remove that. And then here is the keyboard and the manual. So this is it here. It's a nice small keyboard. So if you probably fit into my iPad case even too, which is nice. And then it'll open up like so. And it's got the pad there. It's got the keys there. And let's see, we've got the little buttons there, off, on, and then there's the charger. So let's just say if I was to go to on, and I'm gonna guess it's Bluetooth pairing. So let me go into my Bluetooth settings on my iPad and see if it finds it here. Let's see, is it even on? It says on. Are there any lights? I don't see any lights currently. I don't know if it's going to have to charge. You might have to charge it first. Oh, actually, I pushed that little button on the top and it says Bluetooth. You see the little lights flashing? And now I see something called Bluetooth keyboard on my thing. And it says Bluetooth pairing request, and I will choose pair. So, okay. So now we should be paired to my iPad. Let me just see if I go into something like notes. Oh, I had never used it before, I guess. Okay, and let's just see if I type. It does. Okay, so let's see if I can hold this all up as I type and show you guys what's happening here. So this is the iPad here. Let me see. Well, let's go this way here. Okay, so there we go. So we have the iPad, and then if I was to type HELLO, you see it's coming up there. So very nice. What does the trackpad do anything? Probably not going to do. Oh, there it is. Look at that. I can even move my little mouse around. I don't know if you guys can see that moving around, but it is working. So the trackpad works too. Everything's backwards and upside down for me, but that's pretty cool. It's nice that it actually did, and it connected so simply. And you can see this is what it looks like here. It looks like a nice keyboard. It's got good buttons. Like some of those keyboards I've had, those little Bluetooth ones are just ridiculous. But let me put this down here, and you guys don't have to watch me typing, but let me just see if I can type something here. Hi, my name is Neil. Wow, it is good. The keys are in a good position. I was wondering what it was going to be like with this little slit here, but it's in a decent place that it really doesn't affect it too much. I was able to type, and I said, hello, my name is Neil. You can kind of see it on there. It works. So very cool. Nice little keyboard, and then you can, when you're done using it for the time being, you can hit it to off, close it all up, and stick it in the bag to go. So totally nice. Nice little keyboard. I love it. Thumbs up.